Good morning, team. All right, you can see the weather is not going to cooperate today. My team here was able to get everything started. Unfortunately, we had to close for the day because of the weather. But I wanted to show you the pit. So this pit right here is for that family raft ride, and these are the pumps for it. We've seen them before in previous videos. This one pushes around 5,000 gallons a minute per slide. That's estimated, right? So right now the pumps are starting to ramp down, but you can see the water flow in here, and there's the big old 30-inch line right there that comes from the from the bottom of the pit, the pool. The pool's a little cloudy right now, but that's because we started everything up, and that's usually the way it works during the mornings. We start everything up, and we kind of churn all the dirt that's on the bottom of the surge tank. But during midday, in actually about an hour, this would be crystal clear. Even with the amount of water flow, still be able to see the bottom of the pool. So we're slowly shutting down. You can see the water levels actually increasing. And yeah, you can hear the thunder. I just wanted to make a real quick short video for you, team. Just wanted to show this. A lot of people are asking for merchandise, so let me know in the comments what kind of merchandise you would like to see. I'm thinking hats and t-shirts. One thing I was thinking about for the t-shirts is keep your river motivated as a slogan. So that's how I'm going to close out today's video. Don't forget to keep your river motivated. Go river!